Let me introduce myself first. I'm Mark Christopher Roy P. Montemayor. I am a teacher one. My position in the Department of Education is I am a teacher one educator. Anyways, my topic or the contents of my report will be number one, what is useful information, under which we have the meaning of information system, characteristics of useful information. The second subtopic is information systems and business intelligence, under which we have I will be discussing about information system, components of information systems, classification of information system, what is business intelligence, and lastly, the functions of business intelligence. The third subtopic is the information needs in organizations, wherein I'm going to discuss about I'm going to introduce it to you, and then the second one, the nature and types of information in organizations, and the last subtopic we have is how information technology is changing organization. So we are going to reflect on uh, the impacts of information technology to our organizations. And so once again, I'm Mark Christopher Roy P. Montemayor. I'm a licensed professional teacher and currently working at the department in the Department of Education. Okay, so first subtopic we have what is useful information. So characteristics of useful information, meaning of information system. Information refers to the collection of facts and figures that has some meaning. So of course it has to have the meaning. In simple words, it is an organized set of data. Information is a data which is reliable, consistent, complete, and timely. Later on, I will be discussing in detail about these characteristics. And then information plays a very important role in taking decisions. So that is why this is very timely and relevant to us students of masters in public administration, because in the future we're gonna be doing such activity like decision making. Knowledge is derived after understanding a particular set of information. Managers are completely dependent on information for their roles. Information is encoded in several ways for safe communication between two parties. For information to be effective, it should ensure that it is accurate and reliable. False information may lead to wrong and inappropriate actions. You might ask for some vivid examples na halimbawa sa organizations natin naka-encounter na tayo na with wrong information na natanggap natin, nakagawa tayo ng mga maling decisions. Lalo na ngayon po sa time ng pandemic na without proper or adequate information na natatanggap natin, nakakagawa tayo ng maling decision. False information may lead to wrong and inappropriate actions. For example, sa amin po sa DepEd, na mali yung natanggap na information, nakagawa ng decision na imbes na ikapabuti pa nung learner namin na pamali or mas lalo pang napahamak. Some of the important Now let's go to the some important characteristics of useful information, and it's gonna be discussed as follow. Yeah. Characteristics of useful information. Number one, we have completeness. In Filipino, completo. Information should be complete in sense. It should contain all facts and figures as required by the user. Unless it contains all details, it is not useful. Complete information enables managers to make better decision. Incomplete information may lead to wrong decisions. Information should be collected from all the sources and provided for decision making. Sometimes we have this mga coworkers natin or mga subordinates natin na hindi nagbibigay ng kompletong information. They lie by omission. At ang possibility na nakahinatnan nun is we are not able to make sound decision. Next, number two, we have it should be cost effective. It is one of the important features of information. It refers to the cost involved in the collection of information. The cost of collection should be within the decided set limit. High cost information may affect the budget of an organization. Efforts should be made to acquire the information at a reasonable rate. For example, sa DepEd, para maka-arrive with a very sound decision, what they do is what they did, nagpa-survey sila, and as much as possible dapat yung mga survey na kinakandak ay cost effective para hindi maka-affect sa budget ng organization. Example ng ginawa na survey ng DepEd is kung ilan sa mga learners or mga stakeholders ng school or ng DepEd yung may budget to accommodate the distance learning na pinupush ng DepEd. So that is one of the ginawa ng DepEd to acquire information para makapag-arrive sa isang decision. Number three, we have accuracy. Information collected should be reliable and correct. It should contain complete facts and figures. The sources of information collected should be reliable. True information plays an effective role in better decision making. The quality of information determines its usefulness, and the wrong information may lead to wrong actions. Example sa DepEd po is hinihingi every quarter yung mga list competencies or mga competencies kung saan mahina yung learner o yung bata. Pero some teachers tend to submit the wrong results. Pinapalabas nila na wala na magaling yung bata kahit hindi naman. Kasi yun po ang another parang disadvantage ng pagsasubmit ng hindi nabibigay ni DepEd yung appropriate interventions for the learners kasi pinalabas ng teacher na yung data ay maganda na the learners are doing well. Yan. Number four, information should be relevant to the problem for which it is. It should be suitable for the problem for which it is collected. It should contain complete detail regarding a particular issue. Relevant information is beneficial for managers for decision making. It helps in better understanding of issues and easy solving. For example, there's a problem pero yung binibigay mong input sa manager or yung natatanggap na input ni manager ay mga nonsense na mga gossips or chismis. Imbes na ma-solve yung problem, nauwi na yung pagsasolve ng problem sa kwento ng ibang tao. That is one that is happening sa mga organizations. Na-highlight ay yung mga other na mga nonsense issues compared dun sa pinaka-problem. And then we have number 5, easily understood. Information should be presented in an easy and understood way. It should be understood by all. The simpleness and easiness of information is one of its best quality. It helps in quick interpretation and decision making. Easy information saves times and enables fast actions. May mga easily understood. There are different ways to present your information. Pwedeng text, pwedeng through graphics. Ayan. May mga managers din kasi na pag ang ipe-present mo sa kanila ay graphics, graphs, or mga tables and charts, mas madali nilang makita, mas madali nilang maunawaan yung information na pinipresent sa kanila. So it depends to the person. Merong nadadalian naman sa information na nasa text na format. And then lastly, we have timely. Information should be available as and when required. If information is not available timely, it is of no use. Ayan. It should be available at the right time to the right person. Information collected before time may become obsolete and become non-useful. There are times na katatapos mo palang mag-gather yung information, na-solve na pala yung problem. So it should be very timely. The timing of collection and presentation of information should be appropriate. It will enable the manager to take actions at the right time. One example na mabibigay ko, not that I'm against the government, pero yun na nga, may mga times na nare-realize na lang ng government yung mga dapat ay noon pa na nalagyan ng action ay late na. Example, yung mass, what's this? Yung mass testing. That is one. Just an observation, anyways. Second, our next subtopic, we have the information systems and business intelligence. Before I go on with this subtopic, I'm going to present to you a video.
Information.
Okay. So the second information systems and business intelligence. What about this topic? So an information system therefore can be defined as set of coordinated network of components which act together towards producing, distributing, and or processing information. An important factor of computer-based information system is precision, which may not apply to other types of system. Now, what are the components of information systems? Kasi kanina sabi natin information is a coordinated network of components. What are those components? An information system is essentially made up of five components: hardware, software, database, network, the and people. These five components integrate to perform input, process, output, feedback, and control. Now, hardware. Hardware consists of input and output device, processor, operating system, and media devices. So, anong meron sa hardware? It has input and output device, the processor, operating system, yung OS na tinatawag natin, and then media devices. While on the other hand, software consists of various programs and procedures, yung mga applications. Database consists of data organized in the required structure. Network consists of hubs, communication media, and network devices. And lastly, people. People consist of device operators, network administrators, and system specialists. Information processing consists of input, data process, data storage, output, and control. So that means for an information to be processed, it has to have input, data process, data storage, output, and control. During input stage, ano yung nangyayari? Data instructions are fed to the systems, which during process stage are worked upon by software programs and other queries. Yun po yung stage ng input. And then during the output stage, data is presented in structured format and reports. Now we go to the classification of information system. Number one, we have the operations support system. What about this one? In an organization, data input is done by the end user, which is processed to generate information products, for instance, reports, which are utilized by internal and or external users. Such a system is called operation support system. The purpose of the operation support system is to facilitate business transaction. So, yung operation support system is for business transaction, control production, support internal as well as external communication, and update organization central database. The operation support system is further divided into a transaction processing system, processing control system, and enterprise collaboration system. That is our number 2, 3, and 4. Kasi yung atin pong operation support system ay na-subdivide into 3. the transaction processing system. In manufacturing organization, there are several types of transaction across department. So for example nga po, sa isang manufacturing organization, makakakita tayo ng different transactions na nagaganap sa department na yun. Typical organizational departments are sales, account, finance, plant, engineering, human resource, and marketing, across which following transaction may occur: sales order, sales return, cash receipts, credit sales, credit slips, material accounting, inventory management, depreciation, accounting, etc. All these transactions can be categorized into batch transaction processing, single transaction processing, and real-time transaction processing. Second, or the third, number three, process control system. In a manufacturing organization, balik po tayo sa manufacturing organization, certain decisions are made by a computer system without any manual intervention. Kung dun sa nauna is may tao, yung end user, yung gumagamit ng information. This one, computer na po mismo, the computer system without manual intervention na yung nagke-create ng decisions. In this type of system, critical information is fed to the system on a real-time basis, thereby enabling process control. This kind of systems is referred as process control system. Third one, or third subdivision po ng operation support system. Enterprise collaboration system. In recent times, there is more on team effort or collaboration across different functional teams. A system which enables collaborative effort by improving communication and sharing of data is referred to as an enterprise collaboration system. Nandun na po, the word itself, yung collaboration, there is a stress on team effort or collaboration across different functional teams. How do we do that? By improving communication and sharing of data among all these different functional teams. And then, second classification po, we have the management support system. Yung kanina pong mga nabanggit kong tatlo ay under siya ng operation support system. And then the second one, we have the management support system. Managers require precise information in a specific format to undertake an organizational decision. A system which facilitates an efficient decision-making process for managers is called management support system. Management support systems are essentially categorized as management information system, decision support system, expert system, and accounting information system. Management information system provides information to manager, facilitating the routine decision-making process. Decision support system provides information to manager, facilitating specific issue-related solution. So further classification, di ko na lang po in-include, but I'm gonna be sharing it to you. An information system can be categorized based upon activity into strategic planning system, tactical information system, and operational information system. Our next topic is what is business intelligence? So I'm gonna be presenting to you a video about this.
Business intelligence is a technology-driven process of analyzing data and presenting actionable information to executives for decision-making. Business intelligence is a technology-driven process of analyzing data and presenting actionable information to executives for decision-making. It combines a variety of tools, technologies, and methods with the intent of driving positive change and boosting company performance. BI encompasses a variety of analytics processes, including data mining, predictive analysis, text mining, statistical analysis, and big data analytics, as well as reporting processes and tools like data visualization software, key performance indicators, performance benchmarking, and querying. By improving access to a company's data, BI can increase overall profitability through effective decision-making and optimize internal processes, as well as by helping businesses discover new revenues, identify market trends, and spot business problems. BI is often used interchangeably with business analytics, but there are differences. Typically, BI uses both past and current data to inform current decisions for current success, while business analytics uses past data to explain current data and predict what will happen in the future. In other words, BI addresses the what and how, while business analytics addresses the why and what next.
Okay. So that is about business intelligence. Our next topic is, or subtopic is, what is business intelligence? Business intelligence, uh, na nabanggit na rin po dun sa video, it refers to the tools and technique which is used to convert raw data into meaningful and useful information. Take note of this: tools and technique which is used to convert raw data into meaningful and useful information. Using these techniques, large amount of unstructured data is handled to identify and create new business opportunities. But the main aim of business intelligence is to make the user easily interpret the data. Based on the insights provided by tools of business intelligence, organization gain competitive market advantage and long-term stability. When this unstructured or raw data is transformed into value-added information, it increases the knowledge of business to individuals of all categories in an enterprise. These data are used by decision makers to implement various business strategies based on economic theory. Resources also can be easily managed to cater the needs of the ultimate consumer. But dun sa video, uh, may I add, yung nabanggit din po doon na one of which na mga functions or goal ni business intelligence is para sa income profitability ng organizations, ng organization. Functions of business intelligence. So here are common functions of BI or business intelligence. Number one, we have reporting. Yun, para makapag-present ng mga data or inputs. Second one, online analytical processing. Third, analytics. Fourth, number four, data mining. Five, process mining. Six, business performance management. Eight, seven, predictive analysis. And eight, prescriptive analysis. And then overall, it helps dun sa ating mga managers or mga head of office na makapag-arrive to isang decision with the use of these tools na in-offer ng BI or business intelligence. Now we go to the third subtopic. Last two. So the third section is about information needs in organization. So information need is an individual or group's desire to locate and obtain information to satisfy a conscious or unconscious need. Information needs include subset which address information demand or requirement and information wants or desire. Information demand refers to demands which may be vocal or written and made to a library or to some other information system. So there's a quote here: information is data that has been processed into a form that is meaningful to the recipient and is of real or perceived value in current or prospective actions or decisions. Quality of information refers to its fitness for use or its reliability. So kanina we have already I've already shared to you the attributes of information that it should be you some of which are includes timeliness, accuracy, relevance, adequacy, uh, completeness, explicitness, and exemption based. Now what nature and ay, sorry po. Nature and types of information in organizations. Organizational information is equivocal, meaning information stimuli come from several sources and their interpretations are frequently ambiguous or conflicting. Land and proposed taxonomy of five organizational information types includes the following. We have descriptive information. probabilistic information. So, nandun na rin po ang probability. C, third one, explanatory and evaluative information. And then the last one, unexpected information. So, ito yung mga nakikita nating information sa organization. Unexpected information. Explanatory and evaluative. And then, now we go to the last subtopic. How information technology is changing organizations. Before I proceed with this last part, I'm gonna be presenting again another video.
Information technology has become a vital and integral part of every business plan. From multinational corporations who maintain mainframe systems and databases to small businesses that own a single computer, IT plays a role. The reasons for the use of computer technology in business are communication, inventory management, data management, management information systems, and customer relationship management. Communication. For many companies, email is the principal means of communication between employees, suppliers, and customers. Email was one of the early drivers of the Internet, providing simple and inexpensive for communicating. Over the years, a number of other communications tools have evolved, allowing staff to communicate using live chat systems, online meeting tools, and video conferencing systems. Inventory management. When it comes to managing inventory, organizations need to maintain enough stock to meet demand. Inventory management systems track the quantity of each item, triggering order of additional stock and so on. It can be easily managed by connected to the point of sale system. Data management. The days of large file rooms, rows of filing cabinets, and the mailing of documents is fading fast. Therefore, most companies store digital versions of documents on server and storage devices. The documents become instantly available to everyone in the company with immediate access. Management information systems. Progressive companies use data as part of their strategic planning, as well as the tactical execution strategy. MIS enable companies to track sales data and productivity levels. Next, track profitability over time and identify areas of improvement. Customer relationship management. Companies are using IT to improve the way they design and manage customer relationships. If a customer calls a call center with an issue, the customer support representative will be able to see what customer purchased and can quickly respond to the situations. The entire interaction is stored in the CRM system, ready to be recalled if the customer calls again. The customer has a better, more focused experience, and the company benefits from improved productivity. Thanks. For more information, visit us.
That is one po of the changes na or impacts ng information technology to organization. But if I am to share po yung aking mga na-observe given na I'm from the Department of Education. Example of which na-mention po kanina, emails. Yes, we're still transacting some stuff through or via email. And then if kanina na-mention po yung mga management systems, we also have that in DepEd, how we manage our learners. And given this pandemic, mas lalo siyang napansin na like now na tayo po nag-aaral tayo via Google Meet, and then kami naman po sa DepEd, given na not everyone has access to technologies minsan, pero there are also kids or learners na merong internet. We conduct meetings via Google Meet, Zoom Zoom platform, and then even yung mga faculty meetings nagagawa na natin or nakakapag-transact na tayo via technology. And then we also have learning management systems, kagaya kanina po na we're in puwedeng ma-access na agad-agad ng bata yung kanyang performance, puwede niyang what's this, ma-monitor yung kanyang progress via platforms like Google Classroom. That is one. And very napansin talaga siya na yung time of pandemic. And ano pa po ba yung mabibigay ko na examples? Kanina po, storage of data. Kasi there were times na pinapag-consolidate ako ng aming supervisor kapag may mga kailangan siyang reports and mga data informations, or yun nga po, mga deliverables from the different school heads. What I usually do is to provide them a link. Parang this link is parang a submission link or submission platform kung saan at instantly makakapag-submit, mag-upload sila doon ng kanilang data, and then makikita agad ni supervisor yung mga information na galing sa ano. And sobrang na-maximize po natin itong mga ganitong platform ngayong time of pandemic, wherein we have to lessen talaga yung face-to-face contact. Kung before, ang mga submission talaga is hard copy, ngayon talagang paperless na, may pag-a-uploadan ka lang na link, and then andun na yung submission mo. So, information technology. How, wait po. Okay. Ayan. So, how information technology is changing organization. Number one, okay. Information technology can serve as a significant catalyst for organizational change. Implementation of technology continues to be a challenge for all companies. In the past, organizations saw technology implementation as a discrete occasional task, only occurring during the time when the organization installed new technology or upgraded the existing technology. The impact of information technology can improve operating efficiencies across the organization, improve the communication and decision-making processes, fundamentally alter competitive dynamics, and invent new business models. Emerging information technologies, in particular, offer radically different new products and services. Today, information technologies are pervasive in industrialized nations and are changing the way we work and live in an accelerating pace. So, yun nga po, mahalaga na ma-note down natin ito na changing the way we work and live in an accelerating pace. May mga co-teachers po ako na medyo may edad na, but still nakaka-amaze that they are still willing talaga to adjust to the demands of this time ng pandemic, na given na talagang nagre-rely tayo ng sobra sa mga information technology na to. And yes, it's kind of commendable na nakaka-observe po ako ng mga teachers sa DepEd na medyo senior na o papunta na sa pagiging senior, and still they are able to catch up with the demands of information technology sa organizations. The development of IT offers different ways to invent new business models, such as organizations can draw on the power of crowds by employing open innovations, and organizations can leverage increasingly powerful virtual reality. So that ends po my report. Thank you for listening. Hello po, Dr.
Nandito tayo sa public administration, nagmamaster tayo. Siguro yung sa government lang, na dapat masustain natin kung ano man yung changes, kasi di ba changes and inevitable, at kung i-apply natin yung information and technology, it's something to do na dapat the administrations, the local government must see to it na talagang yung purpose nung pag-aano ng mga inevitable changes when it regards to information and technology is dapat talaga it's something to do na i-fund nila ng maayos para naman the government hindi siya masyadong, alam mo yun, yung hindi siya masyadong nahuhuli Kasi kung pagbabasihan natin at i-compare natin sa private versus the public, talagang yung private, meron siyang long-term planning na when it regards to yung masyadong advanced na information and technology. Yun lang po, sir.
Yun po, dun po sa report niya sir, na-deliver naman po niya ng maayos po at may mga video pa, presentations pa po siya. Yung regarding po dun sa report niya, with regards po sa public administration, parang kahit po ngayon, nagamit na po ng system, pero parang nabalik po rin po sila sa traditional, mabagal pa rin po yung service nila. Yun lang po, sir.
With regards po that, we can relate it to the theory of ano po, new public management and e-governance. Since yun nga po, we use information systems to integrate the traditional processes to modernize po natin and mas mapabilis to shift sa isang mas efficient na system. Ngayon po, siguro ang challenges dito sa Pilipinas in terms of public administration as mentioned by our colleagues po kanina na medyo nahuhuli tayo. It's because bilang nandito po tayo sa developing stage ng ating country, yung resources na nakalaan is hindi ganun nagagamit ng maayos. So yung efficiency, it's bad. And one thing to do that is kaya po tayo merong collaboration between the private sector and the public sector is for the private sector to provide services to improve the telecommunications industry in the Philippines. So it's highly relevant po ngayon since sa pandemic, mas lalong na-magnify yung need ng Pilipinas na mag-conform to international or globalized standards. So yun lang po yung realizations with the report in IS.
Hello, good morning po. Hello, good morning to everyone. Opo. I respect po na magaganda yung mga opinions, no? Pero I think we should see things in broader perspective po, no? Para sa akin, like the LGUs nowadays, no? They are making kumbaga talagang they allot budget na rin, no, para sa information and technology, like the LGU in Buwak, no? Yung nagka-computerize na rin sila para sa system, no, when it comes to the services sa mga tao, no. So pag sinabi natin information and technology, hindi lang siya about yung data storage or the processes ng mga ating mga data, but like example, no, na inalapit natin yung mga services natin sa tao through information dissemination using social media, yung mga ganyan na kailangan na rin nilang mag-transact through the internet, through online. So same as employees, no, na like ngayon ng mga pandemic, no, marami tayong transactions na since hindi nga pwedeng face to face, so we are using our technology. So hindi lang tayo dun sa hindi naman sa hindi siya napopondohan, but our government naman is nag-aalat ng budget is just very limited lang din yung resources ng ating mga LGU, no. Pero sabi nga, marami namang pamamaraan, no, para gamitin ang ating information technology para ma-disseminate natin yung mga services na available sa ating mga constituents. So yun lang po.
Sir, may tanong lang ako kay Sir Roy. Okay, Sir Roy. Since ikaw ay, alam mo yon yung nasa DepEd ka, and marami akong friends and cousins na sa DepEd. And then may something to do sila. May mga shout-out sila minsan sa FB na yung sa system mo, yung abagal-bagal ganun. And since maganda yung topic mo and talagang applicable sa iyo, kumbaga, at ikaw ay mag-gadget, mateki. For you, ano yung ano ng DICT, yung Department of Information and Communication Technology para sa na pwede mong for ano lang man naman to, for your point of view. Ano yung pinakang major impact or maitutulong ng DICT sa DepEd since 'di ba yung funding, yung sinasabi nga ng ni na Ma'am Ethel, yung allocation ng funding, ganun lang, hindi naman talaga totally yung pondo ng gobyerno para lang mapaayos maging 5G, maging 7G yung ating information technology is aalat lang sa DepEd. Since ikaw ay isang teacher, at paano bilang ikaw, paano mo siya kumbaga yung pinakang essence ng DICT, ano sa tingin mo yung bilang isang guro, ano sa tingin mo yung maitutulong mo sa students mo for you para maging maganda din at hindi kumbaga hindi maging hassle yung information in technology sa kanila para mo sustain mo yung knowledge nila in a continuous or yung mismo ba nga ma-improve mo yung learning process ng mga students mo. Parang ganun.
Okay po. Okay, three things comes to my mind.
Okay.
Kapag po, or three things came to my mind nung after po ng question nyo po, ma'am. First is, DICT must provide yung mga technologies, yung mga necessary na mga gadgets na kailangan ng ating mga stakeholders, including the teachers, including the learners, and then yung mga parents. Second one is dapat po after na mabigay na itong mga gadgets na ito or mga technologies na to, i-capacitate yung mga nabigyan ng mga gadgets, ng mga gamit. And then third one, para po ma-fully ma-maximize kasi ang dinadaing ng ibang mga tao is ano daw yung sense ng ano yung sense ng mga technologies na ito kung wala namang kuryente, kung wala din naman signal dun sa place nila. So I strongly believe that the ICT must innovate mga platforms or mga softwares na hindi kailangan ng internet or these platforms are yung mga offline na mga mga applications lang.
Yung mga platform
And
lang
then
na
I think
user-friendly.
yes, and I think ito rin po is applicable sa organizations na kung titingnan natin may mga employees tayo as of now na nag-work from home, pwedeng maka-develop or pwedeng magbigay ang DICT ng mga applications or platforms kung saan pwede silang makapag-work even though there's no internet dun sa kanila or walang internet dun sa isang specific place. Ayun